Hello, everyone, and welcome to How to Create Organizations and Contacts in your SmartSimple Cloud system. In this video, we will review what organizations and contacts are, the difference between an external contact and an internal contact, and steps on how to add a contact and an organization in your system. What is organizations and contacts? A contact is a user that can log in and access a SmartSimple instance. An organization is a record within SmartSimple representing a company. Organizations and contacts are defined in the hierarchy by clicking Menu, Organization Hierarchy, and can be created internally and externally. Internal organizations are often relabeled as branches, departments, or offices, and used to segregate internal contacts. External organizations are those that may be applying for funding or working on a project. Both internal and external organizations can have sub-organizations associated with them for additional control and granularity. Some common roles for internal users might include global administrator, staff, executive staff, program manager, etc. In the organization hierarchy, internal companies and contacts are always listed under the first tab, as seen here. Some common roles for external users might include donor, organization contact, reviewer, claimant, or applicant, etc. In the organization hierarchy, external companies and contacts are listed under the second tab, as shown here. Now we're going to walk you through how to add a new external organization. First, click on Menu, click on Organizations, click on the plus, enter the organization information, click Submit. Enter the organization information, click Submit. Select the appropriate organization category or categories, click Next. Enter the organization information and click Save Draft. Our new external organization has now been created. Now we will add a new contact to the organization that we have just created. Click on Contacts located on the left-hand side. Click on the plus button to create a new contact. Click Submit. Select the appropriate roles or role and click Next. Add the additional information needed. Click Save. If you wish to grant the contact access to the system, their account will need to be activated. Some contacts may be created for the reference only if required. To activate the user, click on the key icon on the top right hand of the screen. Click the Activate button or Enable button. That appears in the pop-up. You may also trigger a password notification email at this time. A new external contact has now been created within the organization that we created earlier. For more information, visit the SmartSimple wiki page listed in the description or email platformsolutions@smartsimple.com. Thank you.